Have you ever thought about buying multiple domains to help with your SEO? If you have, make sure to watch this video before you buy that next domain. Now, welcome to Casey's SEO. So if you've been thinking about buying another domain to help with your SEO, I want to let you guys know that it's probably not going to help the way you think it should. Now we can look at this two different ways. So are you buying a domain that is very similar to yours just to have it? Now, if you are, then in this case, it's not going to help your SEO. And the reason why is because there is no domain authority associated with that domain. Now, if you're buying an expired domain, then you will have some domain authority with that domain. But make sure that you don't buy a spammy domain just due to domain authority. This will only hurt your main site in the long run. If you are trying to buy expired domains, there are some things that you need to look out for. First, do your research on that domain. Take that domain, put it into a piece of SEO software. This could be SEMrush, for example, and it will pull up what backlinks that domain has. And if you see any red flags, you might just want to stay away from that domain so it won't cause any issues with your main site. You also want to find a domain that is very similar to your niche. So if your business is SEO, I would recommend trying to find an expired domain, potentially from a old SEO company that no longer exists. Then you will have some domain authority from the expired domain, which will get passed on to your domain and should bring new traffic as long as people are still searching for that old domain. You don't want to go out and find expired domains on auto repair. If your business is SEO, they just don't match, and any potential traffic from the expired domain is not essentially going to carry over, and you won't get any new traffic from that site. If you did find an expired domain that you want to buy and redirect to your main site, just make sure you did your homework. This way you'll get the most benefit from that expired domain over to your main site. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know. And remember to hit that like and subscribe button for more SEO tips.